Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me here. Is called Inventory Source and is a inventory and product data management platform that helps e-commerce businesses streamline their product sourcing, inventory management, and other fulfillment processes. So to get started with this website, you need simply to head on over to Inventory Source or inventorysource.com on Google or any other browser that you prefer. I do it on Google. And this is the results I got after my search. I have this similar website here. We need the official site, that means the first one, inventory source. Okay, let's click on it. So once we click on it, this is the present page or the home page. Like you see with me here, there is the instructor video about the website. And I have here some information that we will come back to it later after I show you how to get started for free or how to create an account. So to do that, we need just simply to head on over to this button over here, get started free, and click on it. This is one from the best dropshipping websites, and it's contain the supplier network. The inventory source provides access to a network of various suppliers and wholesalers. So this is the information that we need to enter to create the free account. We need to enter the first and last name and the email address. And then we need to create the password. And click on create free accounts. So this is some information that we need to, or questions we need to answer about it to complete the creating the account. Certainly you are a person seeking to start a business, or a retailer, you sell products to consumers, or you are a supplier, that means you sell wholesale or dropshipping B2B. Or are you a consultant or agency or other? Okay, let's just click on a person that we seeking to start a business. The second question, with my company. Okay, let's get this information of company and company websites. And phone number, okay, it's optional, you can skip it or just write it. This is just a number, it's not right or correct. And a certain average order per month, we need to choose how much we will pay per month. Okay, let's choose just the cheapest one, just to show you. You can choose whatever you want, this is independent to you. Okay, let's finish now. So we complete the profile. You see over here, the first step is completed. The second step is to find our supplier. You can just click on here to find it. So they have a partnership with various suppliers across different products categories, allowing businesses to source products from multi-suppliers through a single platform. So here you will find the supplier type. You need just to select doesn't matter, or integrated or not integrated. Okay, let's choose doesn't matter to see all what it contains. For the supplier catalog, public catalog, okay. For low, okay, this is the products like you see with me here. For the minimum order, okay, you can just choose how many orders that you want, doesn't matter, or no minimum, or $1 until $100, or $100 until $500, or plus $500, excuse me. Okay, doesn't matter. Cheaps from, you need just to select the country that you want to cheaps from. And for the cheaps too, you need to select the country that you need to cheaps to, or just doesn't matter, that mean you want to ship to all the countries and you want to ship from all the countries. Okay, so this is the products over here from the selects that we choose here. And here you just select how many suppliers categories that you want: US direct, suppliers, 3PL, warehouse, adult products and lingerie, apparel, fashion, jewelry, appliances, baby and kids furniture. Okay, you will just choose however much that you want. And here you will find the products that you select, their choices on this over here. You can do the same thing for the products. You can select the safe mode and the chips from, I mean the country, and the chips too, that mean the same steps on the suppliers. And for this one here, for the product sourcing, inventory source enable businesses to search and source products from their network of suppliers. Users can browse through the available products catalog, compare pricing, and select the products they want to sell in their online store. And let's check out the supplier directory. And let me tell you that the inventory management, inventory source provide tools for inventory management. User can monitor stock levels, receive real-time inventory updates from suppliers, and set up low stock alerts to prevent overselling. And the platform helps businesses keep track of their inventory across multiple suppliers and ensure that accurate inventory information is reflected on their online store. So this is the supplier directory here. Like you see with me here, there is different products and suppliers. You can just check them out to choose. It's very easy to work on it this size. And for the integrations, so here for the data feeds and integration, inventory source provide data feeds in. This enables automatic syncing of product data, inventory levels, and other information, ensuring accurate and consistent data across system. So it's very easy. I mean, there is nothing complicated here. And integration, we have this steps over here. The select and supplier channel. You want to select supplier, you will need to just click over here, and to select channel you need to select from here. Okay, this is the suppliers. To select, you need just to click on the blue button over here. We have enter new, ascendants, essential piece products, acetate. We have a lot. And to select a channel, you need to click over here and select whatever you want. And just click on continue to pass to the next steps. And here you find contact us and the support center, or the drop shipping support. The inventory source specializes in drop shipping and supports businesses that operate on a drop shipping model. It connects retailers with dropshipping suppliers, allowing them to sell products without the need to hold inventory or manage shipping logistics. So this is all what I can tell you about our website today. Please, if you like the video and if you understand me, subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my friends, bye bye to the next video and next website.